Super moon. This is the super moon. April 27, Makati skyline. The super moon. Sa pink moon, orange moon. Parang bumbilya. Very nice. Super moon. See you again in May.